Imagine a snowball rolling down a snowy hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow. The snowball gets bigger and bigger. This is similar to how compound interest works. It makes your money grow faster over time. We've all heard the saying, money doesn't grow on trees. But what if I told you that there's a way to make your money multiply without lifting a finger? That's the power of compound interest. It's like magic, but instead of spells, it uses time and consistency. Think of it like this: you plant a tiny seed. Over time, with sunshine and water, it grows into a mighty tree. Similarly, a small amount of money, when invested wisely, can grow into a significant sum thanks to the magic of compound interest. Compound interest is simple. You earn interest on your initial savings. But here's the exciting part. You also earn interest on the interest you've already earned. This creates a snowball effect, making your money grow faster and faster. Let's say you invest $100 with an interest rate of 10% per year. After the first year, you'll earn $10 in interest, bringing your total to $110. Now in the second year, you earn interest on $110, not just the initial $100. This means you'll earn $11 in interest, bringing your total to $121. As you can see, your money is growing at an accelerating rate thanks to compound interest. The longer you leave your money invested, the more powerful this effect becomes. It's like a snowball rolling down a hill. It gathers momentum and size as it goes. The sooner you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. This is why starting early is crucial. Even small contributions made early on can have a significant impact on your long-term financial well-being. Let's compare two individuals: Sarah, who starts investing $100 per month at age 25, and John, who starts investing the same amount at age 35. Assuming a 7% annual return, by the time they both reach 65, Sarah will have accumulated significantly more wealth than John, even though they invested the same amount each month. This difference highlights the power of time. Sarah's early start allowed her investments more time to compound, resulting in a much larger nest egg compared to John, who started a decade later. Section 4. The power of time. See your money multiply. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine you invest $1,000 today at a 5% annual interest rate. In 10 years, your investment will grow to approximately $1,629. That's a gain of over $600 without lifting a finger. Now let's extend this time frame to 20 years. With the same investment and interest rate, your money will grow to about $2,653. That's a remarkable increase of over $1,600, simply by letting your money compound over time. This example illustrates the exponential growth potential of compound interest. As time goes on, even small contributions can snowball into a substantial sum, securing your financial future. Section 5. Facts don't lie. The compelling numbers behind early investing. According to a study by Fidelity Investments, individuals who started investing in their 20s had accumulated significantly more wealth by retirement than those who started later. The study found that early birds had, on average, 7 times more wealth than those who started investing in their 40s. These findings underscore the undeniable importance of early investment. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to benefit from the magic of compound interest, leading to a more secure and prosperous financial future. Don't underestimate the power of starting small. Even if you can only invest a small amount right now, the key is to begin and remain consistent. Section 6. A future secured. The long-term benefits of compound interest. Compound interest is not about getting rich quickly. It's about building long-term wealth and securing your financial future. It's about achieving financial freedom and peace of mind. By starting early and harnessing the power of compound interest, you can retire comfortably, grow a substantial nest egg to support your desired lifestyle during retirement, achieve financial goals, fund your dreams, whether it's buying a home, traveling the world, or starting your own business, handle unexpected expenses, be financially prepared for life's uncertainties, such as medical emergencies or job loss, leave a legacy, secure the financial well-being of your loved ones for generations to come. Compound interest empowers you to take control of your financial destiny and create a brighter future. Section 7. Start today, not tomorrow. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. Don't wait another day to start investing. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Remember, even small contributions made consistently can lead to significant long-term gains. Talk to your parents, a teacher, or a financial advisor. Learn about different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Choose investments that align with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth and securing your financial future. Start your investment journey today and let the magic of compound interest work its wonders for you. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is today.